Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Levidio Pro review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this offer called Levidio Pro. So this is the Levidio Pro review. It's going to be very short and straight to the point. So right now on the sales page it says the fastest and easiest way to create video presentation, e-course and interactive game for any needs. Now you can create your own highly engaging video and presentation in minutes using 45,000 plus done for you slide designs. So this offer helps you to design your videos. Okay, so to break it into simple steps or language, these are some video templates which you will be getting, thousands of them they're saying, and you will be able to customize them, edit them in your PowerPoint, and then you can add your branding if you want to, such as your name, email address, website, phone number, whatever. Okay, and then you can export that into a new video and you can use it for your own promotional materials as presentation or for running some ads, or you can use these to sell to your clients if you work as a freelancer. Okay, so it's no rocket science. If you work with videos already, you work with video presentations or with the marketing material in video format, you know what I'm talking about. And in that case, you will require new video themes again and again. Okay, now if you want to check this out, you will find the link below my YouTube video in the description. It will be saying grab Levidio Pro copy here. Click on that link, which will take you to the same sales page, and then scroll down and come and check some samples here. So let me show you, these are the samples. Now this is niche presentation. Now here you have module 1, 2, 3. So this is multi-purpose presentation modules, right? Now let's scroll down. Then you have some game themes. Now there will be some play video button. You see, click on play video and the video will be played. I will not click on the button. You have to come on the sales page and check out these videos in your free time. Okay, in total I guess you have 10 modules. Let me check again. So yeah, 10 modules, and you will be getting all these videos. If it makes sense to you, if you want this, then go and get it. Multi-color theme templates. It says our claim for 45,000 plus designs is the total color composition of the palette features. I don't know really what this means, but you can spend your own time to read about all these features on the sales page. This is going to cost you $22 to start with, and then there are a couple of upgrades as well. Before that, we have some questions to be answered. So what is this? Levidio Pro is a collection of PowerPoint presentation and video templates. It is not a software, web app, plugin, or WordPress theme. You will need PowerPoint to run Levidio Pro. How do I download it? You will be given the login link into your email after the payment is made. What is my license here? So you can do this and you cannot do this. Read everything here, okay? And does audio come with the package? Unfortunately, no, we don't provide with the directly blah blah blah. Most of our audio comes with the YouTube audio library. So if you work with YouTube, you know that YouTube gives you some free music which you can use in your YouTube videos. So these videos which you will get from this Levidio Pro, they will not have any background music. They're just mute videos, okay? And then refund policy, ask me, there's no refund, okay? So only buy this if you want this, otherwise don't buy. So I'm telling you, there's no refund. How do I contact the support? You can click on this link, which is clickable, support.rootpixel.net, and you can ask them if you have any questions after buying or even before buying. So if you have any question which you need to get the answer for, raise a support ticket, and if they reply and if you're satisfied, after that you can go and buy. Are there any upsells? They're very transparent, I guess. So they say yes, we have first upsell, which is for $37, and then there's a virtual studio. So I'll show you the upsells in a moment. Okay, so I guess the sales page is done, so as my review, and this is a cool offer for people who work with videos, and you could use it for your own video on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or for running some ads, or for your clients, right? There are the upgrades here, only two. OTO 1 is 37, Levidio Pro Elite, and then Levidio Bundle. Now, there's a downsell for the OTO 1, but there's no downsell for OTO 2. Features you will get to know when you come to the sales pages. So when you buy the front end, which will be only for $22, then after that you will be taken to this OTO 1, and if you say no thanks, you will get the same thing, I guess. It's discount in 27. Okay, and on these sales pages of OTO 1 and 2, the features will be mentioned that what you will get access to. So Levidio Pro is something very cool for people who work with videos and editing on daily basis. If you are an experienced video editor, freelancer, or you work with your clients, go and get this from my link below. But if you're a newbie here, if you want to buy this, I have no problem, as long you want to learn something, how to edit videos. But if your end goal is only to make money online, unfortunately, as a beginner, and if you're not tech savvy, then by buying these videos will not make you any money. So I have a section in my video in which I only talk about people who are willing, or they want to learn, or they're just beginners and they want to make money online. And for you people, I have a couple of methods which I use personally. This autopilot forex trading, which is like this thing here. Oh, my session is disconnected, so I will reconnect in a moment. Maybe I can show you right now. I will try to open it, and this is my virtual machine, by the way, where I do forex trading. So I'm connecting to my virtual machine in front of you so that you will see what exactly I do. How do I do it? Okay, so this is my virtual computer, which is opening up now. And then what do we have? This is my currency graph. This is what I was talking about. Here we install a software, and that software does the trading on our behalf. Okay, so in case you're interested in learning more, then watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel, and now I will talk about how to make money online using these two methods. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, now we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits. Okay, when the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos, and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first. first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.